Hello friends, very good evening. This is Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you are watching this video as a first on my channel, just subscribe my YouTube channel and support us. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the charting scanner and using the charting scan, how we can find out intraday trade opportunity with a good number of trading idea in intraday itself using a 15 minutes time frames. So yesterday we made a video about how to we make the doji at day high as well as day low. So when the doji candle where it is forms at the day high, there is a reversal is possible, is very high, and if it is forms at day low, there is also be the reversal possible in very high scenario where the market is tend to reverse at lowest level. So using that charting scanner, we are going to take how we can easily find out the trade opportunity using the charting. So we have already created a code for intraday doji at top, right? So when the candlesticks which is closed open equal to same and it moves a little bit higher and as well as a little bit lower, so that kind of candlesticks we are going to take for a study, and that will give you such a great reversal opportunity in highest level as well lowest level. So let's take for a 15 minutes. This is the code where we are going to follow for a 15 minutes doji candle where it is forms at a day high, right? So we are going to take this as a more profitable strategy when I'm going to follow that. Let's scan that. So what are the stocks which we present today? 2 3 4 5 6 7 stocks we got today's scenario. Let's say for example at the first of the day, today is around 9:15, so that is what 9:15 to 9:30 candle we find out TVS Motor. So on TVS Motor what forms? This is a Nifty. That I'm going to open a TVS Motor. So in 15 minutes time frame, yeah, is it exactly 15 minutes time frame? Let you see that there is a 9:15 today where exactly from a doji candle. Let's mark that high and low of the doji. So where we are going to trade on that. So 558 is the low price and 565 is the high price. So almost 6-7 rupees gap between 6.5 to 7 rupees gap between that candle. So where the market is started moving above that high of that particular candle, so we will go for a buy. But we are not going to take a buy opportunity because this is the starting of the day and previous trend it's clearly moving upwards. So when you check that the trend of the previous, it clearly moves up, right? And now when the market is started, let's say, and today it started a high as well as low and ending with the same level, so there will be a confusion in that whether it is going to upside or it is going to downside, but it is the exact high of the day. So where it is showing us the day high, it forms a doji like candle. So once it is breaks that level of 558, now market made to 551 level, almost 8 rupees near about it fall down from that breakdown point. So we have risk of 7 rupees, that 7 rupees where we triggered out. So and if you check that the previous rally and it forms at a highest level, the reversal of the market is huge and possible, right? That has happened. So as of today's scenario, so we find out this one, and the second any stocks which we present for that opportunity around 9:30 we find out S cards. Let's go for AS cards. This is what forming by 9:30. Yes, exactly. AS card was forming by 9:30, the doji candle, where the doji high is 1724 and the low is 1265. So almost 9 rupees is the gap between the trade, where it is broken that low around 4 to 1265 and it fall down to 1252. So that is a 1:1 risk reward ratio. If you follow that, there will be a possible reversal at the lower level as well as possible reversal at the higher level. So what are other stocks which forms the same category? S cards also works good. And if you check the Concor is the another one. So we'll check for a Concor, Container Corporation. So where when it forms, yes, it forms around 10:45 when the day high is forming. So that time it gives you the perfect doji, where 863 and 879 is the level for the stock, where it is broken that level and it started falling down till 668. Almost 9 rupees is fall with the risk of 4 rupees, but we will take 1:1. That is always better. So when you check that, lot of doji candle were formed in middle of the day. So for example, this is also be the doji, and this is also be the doji, and again here the doji candle. But what we are focusing here, whenever the doji candle which forms at the day highest level, or if it is forms at a lowest of the day. So this is what the low of the day, where it is any candle which forms below, so we will focus for that. But this was forming at the day high, so there will be a reversal possibility is quite high on the stock. So that is what the important key point where we are going to follow the trade. Okay. So what are the other stocks which forms the same kind of pattern? So when the charting scanner we can use very easily around 130. So we find out Nifty. Oh, great. So Nifty we find out around 130. So let's check what happened in Nifty. And yes, it forms exactly the high. So 16,375.5, where the low is 62, almost somewhere around 13 point rise. So where it is never breaking that high till end. So where from that around 16,354, sorry 62, it moves down to 40. It's almost 20 plus point it down. So where whenever say here also forms a doji candle, but we are not going to focus because the previous day low is a little bit lower than the doji candle. But even though it works well, but we are focusing when it is forms at the day high as well as day low. So that gives you some major trend reversal. Okay, so for let have the example. So the same Nifty where we are focusing for yesterday. Let's remove it. Yesterday it forms at lower level, so we didn't get any doji kind of patterns, but this was happening at little bit higher than the day's low. So that important point where we are focusing, the doji should form on the day high or even the day low, and Infosys is the another one where we are going to focus for a Infi. There any trade opportunity? Yes, there is a day high which forms a doji like candle and it looks like a spinning top, where even it broke below that low of 1691, and it moves down towards down to 1683. So where the risk is 1691 to 96, just 5 rupees risk, and it moves down. And what are the other stocks where the same kind of pattern which forms? And end of the day at 3 o'clock some stock was forming HDFC IGL. So we are not going to focus for these stocks for an intraday trade, right? So HDFC AMC, and now it is forms at a day high, and we are not going to take a trade because it is happening around 3 o'clock, right? So this is also be there. So we don't go for any kind of trade opportunity at this point. But whenever there is a reversal, so you check that around 12th August around 10:15, but it is not exactly doji, it is looks like a spinning top, but it is a little bit higher. So when this kind of candlestick forms, the market is started moving down and it recovered, right? So this is not comes under our scanner because of the variation of the open and close is little bit higher, so we don't get any chances for this stock, right? And same way we will find out. So we got somewhere around 5 to 7 stocks today, most of the stocks working intraday very well. So that you should understand the power of the doji at high and doji at low. So now we can scan for those stock which forms at bottom doji today. So when we scan it out, we will find today at 9:15 L&T and Nifty. Okay, so let's go for L&T and Nifty. LT at exactly at that one. Exactly at 9:15 and forms a doji like candle. and it broken that high around 1594 and it moves towards 1623. What is the risk for the trade? Almost 12 rupees risk on that particular trade, where it forms great move from that particular area, right? Can you able to understand what we are discussing here? So there is a big opportunity which is present using intraday time frame. So that was working good and better. So let's look at how the possibilities on intraday. Again, there is a doji candle, the second doji which is forms here, but it was not happening on the day low. So that is what we are not taking out. But even though the doji is working well, right? That is a bottom opportunity. And the second one is Nifty. Let's say Nifty, it forms like that. I think no, this is Nifty 50. So let's go for a Nifty future. Whether is there any formation? No, but I think it may taken wrong. So whenever it gives, I think I hope why it's shown like that. Around 9:30 that happens. 9:30 is a doji, but it is not to nearby the day low. Okay, so something about, let's check what are the stock that 50 like a small gap. Does that? Okay, no problem. So the second one, which is forms around 10:45, that is Nestle India. So let's go for that Nestle India. What happened that at 10:45? So where it is happening today? This is a 15 minutes candle here. Exactly the market opened here and it made a low, and exactly the low is the bottom, and once it market broke that high 18,100 and it went up to 18,247. These all the trade we are focusing for intraday opportunity. This is, I'm not checking for a positional. So simply we are going to plan an intraday trade with this kind of pattern when it is forms at a day low as well as day high. So having good potential in intraday profits. Okay. And third and finally we find out the stocks around 215, UBL and Maruti. Let's check it out. UBL and Maruti. So UBL at what time it forms? 10:15. This is a 15-minute chart that the market is started today. This is the sorry. This is where it started. 10:15. There is no candle at Beverages Limited, right? UBL. Sorry, this was forming by 215. 215 maybe this. 115. Yes. This is what the candle which forms with the day low, and it broke the high of 1385 and moves towards to 1391 with the stop loss for the trade is 1381. So where 4 rupees rest and it is broken and it went up to somewhere 5 rupees from that. And finally we find out Maruti at 215. Maruti which forms the day low with the 215 where it is broken that high. It was broken around 7,000. It moves towards to 7,020 with the stop loss below 6,985. 15 rupees is the risk for the trade. Somewhere it is looks like the doji which is forms at around 10 o'clock, but it is not happening on the day high. So that is why it may not scan under our scanner, right? And this is the way where we effectively use that candlesticks scanner and charting, the most powerful tool that will help us to take a intraday trade. And right now I'm going to share the both the codes, doji at low and doji at high, both at on my description of this video. If you like this video, you can hit a like button, and if you liked, kindly share to your friends. And if you are watching my video as a new, just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update whenever we made a video, so we'll be getting notified to you. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Thanks for your time, and thank you so much.